What up, YouTube? It is HemiBoy392 bringing you another video, man. Today's video, yes, I'm finally gonna be putting this cold air intake on the Scat. It's been waiting for a while. Just like I said, I ain't had time to do it. I wasn't gonna pay somebody to do it, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and do it myself with the help of one of my I wouldn't say guys, you know, yeah, because I don't really know him, but we gonna meet up with him today and he gonna help me put it on. Seems like a pretty cool dude, so we gonna he gonna pull up on me in a little bit. Just waiting here for him. He's got a nice Cadillac, by the way, real nice one, which I'm gonna show y'all in the video. So just stay tuned. But if you're watching this video right now, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned, man, for the video. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm over here with Leroy or Modern PB. He over here helping me do my intake. It's pretty simple. I watched a lot of videos. Well, it looks simple, but you know, it's always cool to, you know, meet up with new people and just, you know, chop it up a little bit. So
you gotta do it right or you're gonna mess something up, even though it may look simple.
Exactly.
I did the same thing with my car, trying to put it on.
Oh yeah?
And I forgot to I forgot to tighten something up, so when I revved the engine it came loose and I was like that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
so definitely I was like, definitely need some, at least a little guidance, because I did a lot of stuff by watching YouTube videos. And then some of the videos, like my wicker bill for one, I messed that up. So
yeah, everything I do on my car I learned it off YouTube.
Yeah,
so YouTube is your best friend.
Pretty much. So I'm like, man, you know, and like I said, if I could do it in my driveway, I'm gonna do it in my driveway. Exactly. Instead of paying $400-500 for somebody to put it on. Because, you know, I know the guys pretty well at the shop that I go to, but who's to say they wasn't gonna be like, oh man, you know, $200 to put your intake on. And I'm
what
just
shop
like,
do you go to?
The Car Guys.
Oh, the Car Guys? Oh yeah.
Yeah, over there on I forget where that is. One of the.
So they have charged you to do this?
I don't know what he was gonna charge me to do it. For me, like, he's pretty much 90% of the way done. And this is what it looked like. It took really little to no time. You know?
Easier than mine. I'll take that.
Oh yeah, we gonna have to check that one out though before I leave today. Man, I like Cadillacs. Like CJ's Cadillac, I really like that one, especially with the red wheels that he got on there.
Oh yeah, I like that.
That thing is nice. But I don't know, man. I'm thinking about going a different colorway of the wheels on mine.
What color? Like bronze?
Yeah, I was thinking bronze, but
I was thinking the same for mine.
But it's just like, you know, with the wrap that I want to do, I just need to coordinate it just enough so it play off the wrap. Yeah. You know, instead of just getting bronze wheels and then doing the wrap. You know, but
what kind of what color wrap?
I'm thinking about doing something with orange in it.
I want to do mine like a metallic gray or matte black. Bronze wheels.
I'm finna tell you my plan off camera. So we all done here. Took us all of about 20 minutes.
20-30 minutes.
Or him all of about 20-30 minutes, because I just sat here and watched. But this is how it looks. And it looks pretty good. Everything's all snug and stuff. So we just gonna see how I feel on the way home, at least, so I give y'all a nice little impression of it today in this video. This video is probably gonna be dropping tomorrow in the morning, so we gonna go ahead and do that. But we gonna get cleaned up and we gonna take a look at the Cadillac over here after I move my car out. But y'all see, we got the Cadillac over here.
Ignore that V.
Hey,
it's a V6.
Hey.
It's a V.
Hey.
Back 6.
Let them see. I seen it when we was on the way. It's a V, but with the 6. So it ain't technically up badge, but it's all right. But tell us what you got going on here, man.
So it's a 2012 Cadillac CTS Coupe. It's a V6 version. Can't afford the supercharged V8. That's too much. $40,000 for a 2012 damn near 10-year-old car now.
Yeah, it's just, you know.
But I did the front Brembos and the rotors, built and slotted. I got to repaint them. These wheels are from an ATSB. That's why the spacers are on there, at least the front, to change the bolt pattern. Pretty much normal stuff. Aftermarket headlights, aftermarket grille. Under the hood, it looks normal, but got a cold air catch can back there. Canon cold air intake. You can't really see right now, but I have a manifold spacer.
Manifold spacer.
Yeah. So it sits between the engine block and the spacer.
Okay.
Yeah. Can't really see that. What else? I got an exhaust.
You got boiler?
Yeah. Boiler.
Okay. Yeah, I seen the sticker. I seen the sticker on the back. So.
Got the boiler sticker.
That's pretty
much it. I mean, there's little tiny stuff, but I can't think of it right now.
Right. I see you got the them LED pods down there for the fog lights.
Yeah, these I actually did myself because when I bought the car, it's a premium version. It's supposed to come with fog lights, so it didn't come with it. So I bought some of these from Walmart. Okay. And kind of fabricated it in there myself. It looks kind of ghetto fabulous, but hey, I'm gonna touch it up a little bit.
Hey, it's a work in progress. Everybody, as long as you did it yourself, exactly. Like we say, that's all that matters.
Do it yourself.
Exactly.
These, I'm still working on them, trying to get them to mold correctly to the car because it didn't come with it. I cut a hole in the side of the body and bought these off eBay. I'm trying to, make it look like it's part of the car.
Right.
I mean, you can't really tell.
I mean, you can. I mean, it looked. I thought it would just came like that.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people do.
So
that's pretty much it. Painted the calipers, and on the inside, kind of rough. It's a normal Cadillac. Looks kind of dirty. I got a pedal commander.
Oh, the pedal.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm thinking about getting one of them too.
Yeah, but get one. Definitely change it. It don't add horsepower, but you definitely feel it. A lot.
Damn.
That's pretty much it, though.
Any plans you got for it?
That you want to supercharge it? Overkill supercharge, but that's like $6,000.
Yeah.
And I don't know about all that. I just don't want them to try to void my warranty.
Right.
If I buy that. So right now I'm just buying things that aren't gonna alter like the engine. But
that's what I say. That's what I say, man. A lot of people be like, "Oh man, just rip into that thing." I'm like, "No, I got a warranty still." I was like, after that warranty, then I'll think about how I'll do it then. But
I got my warranty ends next year, April. So if I don't sell it, I'm gonna buy a supercharger. That's what I'm gonna do.
Just a work in progress. Yeah, look. When I had seen it the first time, I had seen them. What was it? Probably like a couple, maybe like a month or two ago. Yeah, something like that. I seen them next to me, and I was just like eyeing it. I was like, oh man, that's a nice Cadillac. That's a nice looking. It was like all clean. With sun shining and everything. And I'm like, oh,
I mean, you get up close and you see all the imperfections from far away. Yeah. I mean, the back right there is rough.
Yeah. But it'll come together all together. But you got a channel you want to shout? You gonna start YouTube again or?
Yeah, I might start it as Modern PB. Right now it's just paintball and beats. I do a little bit of beats on the side. But definitely messing with you. I'm gonna get back into making YouTube videos, especially on cars. I don't know how much attention this will get.
I mean,
it's kind of old, but everybody's on that Mopar stuff.
Right. But I mean, this is like different. Like you don't see nobody building stuff like this. Everybody you see Mopar.
That's all you see, but it's still it's still popping. So.
Camaro, something like that. Me, I was just thinking about fucking switching to a Camaro or something, just like to differentiate. But I'm just like, I just got this, so I can't really go without putting myself deeper in, to that. So I was like, I'm gonna just,
Chargers and Challengers. It definitely sticks out amongst all of them.
Yeah.
That's what. And then, man, I don't know. It's just something about it. Got me jealous.
A lot of people be like, man, something about your car. Like a lot of people say that, and I'm just like, it's just another white Charger. You know what I'm saying? But then at the same time, it's just the touch.
It's the little things like the spoiler.
Yeah.
The front splitter. Even the rear window splitter.
Yeah. A lot of people, they just be like, man, it's just the little things. Like my girl, she hated it because she's like, everywhere we go, somebody's turning their head or breaking their neck to
That's
look
how I
at it.
feel that's how it is with that one.
Yeah, and she's like, I like, you know, the car is nice, but I hate the attention. I was like, you know, we do YouTube
like
now.
the attention,
Yeah, she was like, I was like, we do YouTube now. When I get big, you know, it's coming soon. You know it is.
Yeah.
But when we get big, you know, and make this into like a job, all the attention gonna be on you.
Exactly.
You know, so you gotta get used to it now.
Small, so when you get big, it's like a normal thing.
Right. You know, like right now, it's just like, man, I don't even pay attention no more because I know somebody's just staring at the car. You know, not to sound like conceited or anything, but it's a nice car.
It just comes with having a nice ass car like
that. So, you know, it is what it is. You gonna work your way up there. You know, get what you want eventually. Whether it's supercharged or get another one. You know, but you know, everybody can't just do everything at one time because everybody has a different situation.
I say, be happy with what you got. If you got you a V6 or a V8, be happy with what you got. If you want to build it up, build it up. Don't let because I'm tired of people. Well, I'm not tired. I used to be until like watching other people on YouTube. They'd be like, "You got a V6, and that's what you could afford. Build on top of that."
All right.
And eventually, if you can afford a V8, do that. But shit, there's V6s out there. There's 4-cylinders out there that could beat V8s.
Exactly.
So it's like it don't matter what car you got. If you're happy with it,
just build
on top of it.
You know. That's what.
This makes me a little jealous.
Right. You know, I tell my cousin he got a Z, and you know he having engine problems. Like he had to get a new engine.
Yeah.
So a lot of people was telling him to sell it. Even me, I was telling him to sell it because it was just like, bro, it ain't really worth it in the end. But then, you know, as he consistently came to me, he was like, bro, I want to do this, I want to do that.
Yeah.
And I'm like, bro, it seemed like this car make you happy. So I was like, just fuck it. Just go ahead, build your car. You know, don't worry about what no fucking body else say. Just do what you got to do, you know?
Telling me to sell my car because, remember, I told you how I hit the pothole, broke my inner tie rod, and cracked my oil pan. I ended up and it had 185,000 on it, but it ended up blowing a piston, throwing a rod and everything. And my girl, everybody was telling me to sell it. But I was like, you don't see no cars like that.
Right.
If I sell it, I've been through so much with that car. I used to have chrome wheels on it, but
I think I seen on your Instagram. I was looking,
and I fell asleep at the wheel because I used to work late nights, and it was on a bridge, and I hit the sidewall. Good thing the body didn't damage, but both wheels on the driver's side, they cracked, so I had to find these. But it's like I've been through so much with it, it's hard to give it up. So I ended up buying an engine with 34,000 miles on it, and I put it in myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah. Right here.
Wow.
I mean, it's easy. The only thing I had problems with was the block. Everything else I got out. I had to rent those called engine hoist. So, and that was pretty much it. Everything else, easy.
Well, that's good. That's good to know.
Engine it myself. Everything you see on there, I did myself. If I can't do it myself, I'll do it myself eventually.
Right, you find a way to do it. Yeah. And a lot of they was like, "Hey, where you gonna put the grill in?" I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put it in. But I was like, I'm gonna pay somebody to put it in because I ain't got no time. But then I was like, you know what? Like the video I just dropped, I was like, you know what? I ain't paying nobody to do that shit.
If you could do it yourself, you 100% do it.
I was like,
it's gonna save you some money and you'll get more satisfaction knowing that you did it yourself.
Right, showing the process. And I was like, man, I know. I took the bumper off the last 3 cars I had. So my Malibu, I had a 18 Malibu, and I took the bumper off at least a good 6 or 7 times because I was having problems with the dealer and headlights and shit. So I took it off, me and my cousin in the garage, you know. By the time the 3rd time came, 10 minutes, getting that bitch right off. Same with the Charger. I took it off about 2 or 3 times, 10 minutes, get it off. And then I just started this one. I got everything apart except for those 2 bolts next to the fucking headlight.
What is it, 2 10mm bolts right here or something like that?
2 10mm. And I turned the wheel as far as I could, but I couldn't get it on. I couldn't do it. So I was like, let me take the wheels off. And that's when I got stuck. So literally everything from underneath, all the pins, everything was off. And the corner shit is just those 2 bolts. And I had to button everything back up.
Your wheels are too wide. Even if you turn them, you didn't have no room, did you?
No.
Yeah, so.
I barely had room. It took me 30 fucking minutes to put these, just to put those in, bro.
Yeah, I could, I could help you out with that,
for sure. Damn, y'all. I'm zooming in like a motherfucker.
At the stop sign, turn right onto West Taylor Road.
It feels so good. Like, y'all don't understand like how the throttle response feels so much better, y'all. I think I am very, very fucking.
In 2.2 miles, turn left onto South Weber Road.
Yeah, y'all. This is. Let me roll my window up. This is nice. You can hear it. Like it sounds very deep. Like when you stepping on it, man, it just sounds delightful, man. It just. I'm 100%. What do you call it? What you want to call it? Satisfied with my purchase.
In 1.1 miles, turn left.
Shut up. Shout out to Leroy, aka Modern PB, for hooking me up, helping me install this thing, man. I really do appreciate him. Like I said, it's always nice to meet new people and, you know, link up and talk to new people and everything. I like to meet everybody, you know what I'm saying? So if you in the area, you want to link up, just hit me up, you know what I'm saying? Or follow me on Instagram. Hit me up on Instagram at HitMeBoy392. You know, same thing as the YouTube on all platforms. Just go ahead, hit me up. We could schedule something. We could make it. We could link up. We could do whatever you want. You know, do a car review, do a car video, we could do a race, do whatever the fuck you want to do. You feel me? So, yeah, like I said, man. But that's probably gonna do it for today's video, y'all. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the JLT intake. Did I waste my money? What you think about intakes and period? I don't know if y'all can hear me right now because this car, it seemed like it made the car seem like real deeper, you know, deeper than it used to be. I don't know if it's just me or my head playing games on me. Shut the fuck up. But yeah, it just seems a little bit deeper and throatier. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a review on the JLT intake. I'm gonna drive on it for a couple days, and then give y'all a nice little review on it. Give y'all a nice little review on it, a couple days of me driving on it and stuff like that. So y'all just stay tuned for the video. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you leave a comment, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. That is very important that y'all hit that subscribe button, man. It is free. Don't just watch the video, man. Hit the subscribe button as well, and you know, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.